DJ Wing from Mumbai. Thank you so much, Vikrant, for the introduction. I am here at the Cricket Association. Very glad to be here. It's a lovely weather in Melbourne today, and it's amazing to be here. It's a very big stadium, and I got some merchandise. Been to AFL thanks to our friend Virosh, who's made me meet a lot of big celebrities here, and totally enjoying Melbourne.
So tell us what makes you come to Melbourne.
Vikrant, one thing I will tell you, I roam around the world as a DJ, spread my music, which is Bollywood remixes, Bollywood. People love Bollywood across the world. But about Melbourne, there's a very special thing I would like to share. Of course, Melbourne's a very big city, and I love the city. Apart from the city, I love the beautiful people here. I get so much of love from my friends here, the people around here, whomsoever I've talked in Melbourne. I feel warmth, I feel home, I feel very good here. It's not just I'm exaggerating that I'm in Melbourne, that's why I'm talking about Melbourne. No, guys, I really love Melbourne, love people here, love everything about Melbourne. I just feel like home. So there's nothing better place like home, and I get my home here. So it's beautiful, and I love it here. That's what it is.
And can you just tell us a bit about the kind of work that you do? In the sense, what kind of music you are working on
Um,
mostly, and
I
what is going on
yeah.
with your professional work?
Professional work, I'm a professional DJ. I mix my music. I'm a music producer as well. I'm a sound engineer as well. So guys, in India, I'm well known for Bollywood music. I've been playing a lot of genres. I am okay with everything, all the genres, but I'm specially known for Bollywood since I've started back 10 years ago. This is my 10th year, and uh, people have started loving my Bollywood music, like the way I remix the music, and they love to dance on my remixes, dance on the Bollywood special tracks which I play. And I have a key that I want to know my crowd everywhere, all the places of the world, and get to know them. And according to their mood of music, I play the music. So it's amazing to be here in Melbourne, and Melbourne people love Bhangra. That's what I have observed since 4 years, and people love Bhangra here. So I make it a point that before coming to Australia, before coming to Melbourne, I mix my Bhangra tracks and I do my homework back in India, and then I come prepared for Melbourne. So that's how I guess I get a lot of love while in the gig, and this is my 4th year in Melbourne, and I want to keep coming for people here. So really looking forward for my more years to go in Melbourne.
Okay.
So thank
So
you
can you
guys.
tell us your favorite music or songs that you have remixed, and what you
I
like?
would I would say that more than a dance number, that is our usual thing, that dance number, whenever there's a item number or dance number or a disco song in Bollywood movies, people usually dance on that. But my favorite genre would be Bollywood love songs, which are like very heart touchy numbers, which I convert into the dance form, that people could dance on the love numbers. They can sing along, they can dance, and those kind of numbers I would like to play for people. Like last 10 minutes or last 15 minutes is my packaging of my set of music I play. So the last 10 minutes people really get attached to me because of the love songs I play of Bollywood numbers, and they really get to sing with me, so dance with me. So I love that fact of love tracks of Bollywood music. So I love that.
How would you define Bollywood?
Bollywood is huge. Bollywood is huge, and people get connected to Bollywood because it's in Hindi, and in India, people are usually tied up with Hindi language, and Bollywood. I'm nobody to define Bollywood, but Bollywood is huge, and people are connected. People love Bollywood, and I love Bollywood too. So, guys, and Bollywood makes me go around the world and meet you guys. Go around the world and people and spread the music. So I'm loving Bollywood for me, for myself.
And can you tell us any favorite film of yours? What do you love about Indian cinema or Bollywood? Which is your
Uh,
favorite
uh,
cinema?
Favorite cinema would be retro. Retro. I like Amitabh Bachchan a lot. More than today's movies, I really watch Amitabh Bachchan's movies, and big fan of Amitabh Bachchan. one of the most favorite movie is Satya Pe Satta. I still love that movie, and I can watch it like 50 times more if I have to watch. Even in future, if I have my kids, I will make them watch that movies. Uh, some of the beautiful movies Bollywood has, and I love them. I would love to watch again and again and again and again. So that's my genre. That's what I love about Bollywood.
So here we are with DJ Rink,
Hello,
Virosh,
Melbourne.
and Nitin.
Hi.
So we are talking to DJ Rink and her experience in coming to Melbourne for last 4 years, and she has made some great friends. And Nitin and Virosh are the two people who
Those
really
are my
supports her.
best friends and beautiful people here I've met in Melbourne. Beautiful souls, I could say. Virosh, very special friend, and he's got his newspaper publishment from Sri Lanka. And Nitin Gursahani, being a family friend, he's my family.
Thank you so much.
And a family friend. And 4 years we've been associated with each other.
Yeah.
We love each other, and Melbourne especially. Apart from music, I look forward for meeting these beautiful people, and I totally love it. So guys, on my 10th year anniversary, I would love to share some moments with my people here in Melbourne. So guys, whatever you guys want
Well,
to say.
all I can say is that I like to go to the clubs. I like to enjoy partying. But when DJ Rink plays, that's never been a time when I have left the dance floor and said, "Oh, I want to grab a drink. Oh, I want something," because she plays it that way that we have to be on the floor. So, and working with DJ Rink for 4 years has been wonderful. We have become very close to each other. We have, toured all over Australia. We had amazing views about each other. We got to know each other. We got to know each other's family. And she's a wonderful host. If you ever go to Mumbai, you should meet DJ Rink. And also congratulations on your 10th.
Thank you so
Being
much.
10 years, she's been playing. That's their experience where it's coming from. So yeah,
Thank
that's
you,
all I
Nitin.
can say.
Thank-
Yeah,
thank you
I
for-
just want to add something very small to it.
Yeah.
I'm being a Sri Lankan, never been to Bollywood scene. My first experience of Bollywood is DJ Rink, as a publisher as well as into Bollywood scene. And from the moment that I saw her, I really loved what she had done on the stage. As Nitin said, it was full-on energetic session that I did. And I'm not a Bollywood dancer. I don't know the music, but I danced for all this music and the remixes, and I loved it. Why we are so close to her is what she have done in the last 4 years is pretty amazing. I do get access to all the events every year, and I've seen so many people. They are all very good and competitive, but DJ Rink has something very special, touches our heart. Not only
Yeah,
music,
that's I agree.
it gives something to our heart. And being a Sri Lankan, following a Bollywood star this much, I think that says something.
Thank you, Virosh. Thank you so much. He's been a very, very special friend for me. He took me to AFL today morning. I want to share an experience with you guys. I've met such celebrities, football teams. I got the signed football from the Australian team, and it was very, very good session. We had it all thanks to Virosh, who got me there, and Nitin being always there. He takes care of me like a big brother, and can't forget him, what he does for me. So these people are like heart and soul, and with me in Melbourne. Can't forget it. Thank you so much.
Keep
Thank you,
rocking.
guys.
Thank you very much.